this is the maritime mile. We're coming up to stop. So there's a little bit off the board. Stop number 2, the SSE Arena, also known as the Odyssey. It used to be full of bars and restaurants, not so much of property. That's the home of Belfast Ice Hockey. Guys, you from Canada, can I tell you, virtually all of the members of Belfast Ice Hockey team. Can I also tell you that whenever they were talking about what they call the Belfast Ice Hockey team, somebody seriously came up with the idea of calling them the Belfast Bombers. They really didn't think that was such a good idea. So they call them the Belfast Bombers. So guys, we're starting with the junior. You will see a post which has the hop on sign on it. Okay, so let you know. Andrew, there are people getting off here. Stop number 2. This is the SSE Arena. Same launcher is the Odyssey. Just past the figure, guys, you'll see halfway up the lamppost, you'll see the red and yellow sign. If you're going around again, that's how you do it. Okay, well, have a good day. Guys, this part of this play here, supplements I mentioned this that are in common. None of the other ones here, particularly this age group, these are absolutely you have no idea what that is. Anyway, that's another show. Guys, can I tell you, we've actually got something on here today, I think, which is like a big motocross motorcycle, strong motorcycles. For all you guys, I'm coming from the first of 7 brothers. Let's introduce them myself. But this is all about politics, history, culture, and so forth. This is called the Titanic War. I'll give you 3 guesses what this is. But it's also, guys, called Queen's Island. Named after Queen Victoria. This was where all the shipbuilding was. Okay, guys, very old shipbuilding, right next to nothing, Illinois. Okay, in terms of shipbuilding, we refurbished all the stuff, but most of it is to do with most of the stuff. This is going to be about that. But guys, that's all the guys, Queen Island is 2 of the largest queens in the world. These little queens, these are icons of Belfast. You'll see the t-shirt, posters, and pictures. They represent Belfast. Okay? And one is called Samson, the other is called Goliath. To give you an idea of how big they are, the statue of Liberty was built under Agric. Also, some people think how friendly we are because we're written on an ancient W for hello and welcome. Most times, but Barnum Wood on the built. Guys, the company that took over from Barnum Wood was called Fred Olsen, but they decided riding on a Canadian ship for 6 months being refurbished. And there were 600 people on the Wood working on the ship. So I got you'll see a thing down the building. That's the Titanic experience. Okay? But you see the building in front of it. That's the Titanic Hotel. That's the Titanic Hotel. So the 129 luxury rooms in it. It used to be the market for the Titanic. Okay? And what happened was that's where they got lots of artifacts. Guys, you can go there and you can have a block or something like that, and you can see some of the artifacts. Really, the radio set where the original message was about the city. All there, guys, just did the hard knowledge. We're going to also say they haven't watched the videos for bottles since the night of the disaster. Give them 14 to 15 That's probably a bit of old Irish crap. Of course, they've watched the videos. It's a good story, and we love a good story. Guys, we're turning right here. We're going to come back to this later when we go to the Titanic. We're going to come back to short, and we just want to go up here and engine. So guys, I want you to concentrate on the left-hand side of this world. And a moment, you will see great white stanchions. That's where the Titanic was launched on April 31st, 1912. Sorry, 1911. That's just such a ship here back. But have a look at the buildings in the distance. Have a look at the top. Look at the last left place on the right. And that's a bunch of shit. Looks like left, right, see lefts. And then a nose. And a nice stuff. And a corner. also the dry dock where it's guys, I think this is one closed for now, right? Is there anybody want to check it out? Just bear in mind there's one other bus on this. Guys, does anybody want to look at this inspired to the tour? Not we're just up here and trying it out. I think it's probably closed for that, right? Exactly. Guys, this is very much a working port still. Belfast is still a working port. You come here during the week, you'll see cruise tankers, oil tankers, all rolled up across the river. Also during the summer, particularly every year, cruise ships coming up further along the coast. Last year, 147 cruises was there. If you realise that's about 2,000 to 3,000 every cruise, which is like your 900 people missing Belfast. Guys, that's the area where we want to walk here, we want to keep on going. Look at the end of the car park. At the very end of the site. But if you are going to go in Titanic experience another day, we'll get you out of here. We'll be a problem. Okay? So we're going to stop up here and pick up some people. Now, the border of the Titanic experience is just on the right. See those corners? Sorry. See those corners? Those corners are the height the Titanic was in the water. Where the oil was. Okay? Also, we've got a very black and dark section in the water. Okay? Because of its colour, just got a nickname. Because of its colour, that silvery red colour, the people of Belfast have nicknamed this building the iceberg. We're very black and dark situation. Okay? So I'm just going to go downstairs, welcome these people on board, I'll be back up to see you now. Sorry, 400 people were saved. Sorry, 700 people saved, 300 were never. Okay. Sorry, 200 bucks were right, meaning 1,100 were never. Guys, look on the right hand side there. This is the SS Romantic. The Titanic left the port of Cherbourg in France on its tilted right. It couldn't get into the port of Cherbourg, it was so big. So that ship, that's the actual ship that took the first and second class passengers out of the Titanic. But another little ship called the SS Traffic, which took the third class passengers, because they didn't want the third class passengers, the first and second class passengers, on the same ship. Guys, we're calling this is East Belfast. When we come to West Belfast, I have to do a little bit of politics and history. Okay? I'm not being patronising myself, but in order for you to understand what you're going to say in West Belfast, I have to do that. Okay? So, we'll be doing that in a moment. And we're coming to stop number 6. Unfortunately, stop number 6 is closed tonight for the day, St. George's Market. But I thoroughly recommend it. So for tomorrow at 4 o'clock. Lots of food, music, gifts, everything. Guys, look up ahead of us to the right. See in the distance you'll see the tallest building in Ireland, called the Obel Tower. It's an apartment block, very expensive. I couldn't afford the apartments in there. Okay? We have the tallest building in Ireland. We also have the second tallest building in Ireland, called the Grand Central Hotel, which is Belfast. We're very proud of that for several reasons. One, because it is the tallest building in Ireland, but also because of another thing called sleech. Sleech is a horrible blue-black mud. Belfast is built on it, so we can't build tall buildings in Belfast. Okay? One of the few places we can build tall buildings, we build the tallest building in Ireland. Let me give you another word. The word Belfast comes from the Irish, Bel first, when it's good. 3 rivers in Belfast. The main was the River Lagan. We crossed it to get there. We're going back over. There are 2 smaller rivers. One called the Blackstaff, one called the Farset. Both of them flow into the river just across the River Lagan there, okay? And the you can't see them, they're under the river. You can smell them sometimes, but you can't see them. And the River Farset goes under that big tower we saw there. That's where the tower goes, as a river under the river. And I started talking with it. So it's short on it's not going to fall anywhere, but they're kept it tight. Okay? But the Farset goes in just across the River Farset. So in the past, this area was called the sandy mouth of the Farset, which in Irish is Bel Firstian. When it became anglicised, it became Belfast. That's what it means. Okay? Belfast and Sandy out of the park. You'll see it just across the river here in a moment. Guys, anybody been to Dublin? If you've been to Dublin, you will see a statue to a woman on high below. She wins a new barrel, which is called now, okay? Her statue in Dublin is nicknamed the Cart with the Cart. There's another statue in Dublin to a woman called and Olivia. She represents the river Liffey. They've nicknamed her statue, if you've ever seen it, the Floozy and the Jacuzzi. The guys, we couldn't let Dublin get away with it. So up ahead there, guys, at the end of the Queen's Bridge up there, also named by Queen Victoria, she actually opened this and became the Queen's Bridge. Look at the very end there, you see a statue to the beacon of light it's called. But we couldn't let Dublin get away with it. Actually, we have three names. One is the Janet on the Planet, one is Julia with the Hula, and last we call her the Thing with the Ring. Coming up the very end, guys. Guys, look to the left, there is a barge, which is now a floating restaurant. Behind it, the Waterfront Hall, good place for concerts and conferences. Guys, we could not have done this tour during the 60s and 70s because of the troubles. I'm not going to talk about that until later. But one of the sad things in this area, obviously treat someone for worst performance in the club in 1972. But I'm not even going to concentrate that. Look at the building to the right hand side. This is our Courts of Justice. Look at the glass. That was built since the Troubles ended. It would never survive the bombings and the troubles. But look at this building here on the right hand side. This is our High Court. Look at the wall in the bottom, 20 foot high and several meters thick. That's a blast door. So many bombs were left outside this building to blow up and leave the glass wall protected. Some people say to me, why do you still have it? If you've got peace, will you answer? Give me a still, just in case. Guys, we're going to turn to the right here, far side of the road.